South Africa's unemployment crisis, and how we can solve it. South Africa is facing one of the highest unemployment rates in the world, and it's been this way for years. The problem isn't just economic, it's deeply social, personal, and generational. But while the statistics may seem discouraging, there are practical solutions we can take, both as individuals and as a nation. Let's break it down. The current reality, as of 2025, South Africa's official unemployment rate stands at 32.7%, according to Statistics South Africa. That means nearly 1 in every 3 South Africans who want to work simply can't find a job. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. When you include discouraged job seekers, people who've given up looking, the expanded unemployment rate shoots up to over 42%. Youth are the hardest hit. More than 60% of young people between the ages of 15 and 24 are unemployed. This isn't just a crisis. It's a national emergency that threatens the future of an entire generation. Why is unemployment so high? There are several reasons why unemployment in South Africa remains stubbornly high. 1. Education and skills gap. Many young South Africans leave school without the practical skills needed in today's economy. While degrees are important, there's a lack of training in trades, digital skills, and entrepreneurship, the areas where job growth is possible. 2. Low job creation. Job growth in the public and private sectors hasn't kept up with the growing population. Big companies are downsizing or automating, while small businesses struggle to survive. 3. Corruption and mismanagement. Billions of rands that could have created jobs have been lost to corruption. Public funds meant for development often end up in the wrong hands. 4. Load shedding. Power cuts caused by Eskom have disrupted business operations across all sectors. Small and informal businesses are especially vulnerable, often losing days of work due to outages. 5. Barriers to starting a business. South Africa makes it difficult for ordinary citizens to start and grow small businesses. From paperwork to compliance costs, the system isn't friendly to entrepreneurs. So, how do we fix it? The good news is, there are solutions. Some are already working in communities across the country. Here's what we can do. 1. Invest in skills development. We need to overhaul the education system and focus on practical skills, things like plumbing, electrical work, digital marketing, software development, and agriculture. Learning by doing should be the norm. 2. Support small businesses and informal traders. Small businesses already employ over 60% of the South African workforce. By supporting them with funding, training, and less red tape, we can unlock massive job growth, especially in townships and rural areas. 3. Use technology to connect people to work. Digital platforms like Fixit, SweepSouth, and M4Jam are helping people earn income by providing services on demand, from handyman jobs to cleaning gigs. These platforms create flexible income opportunities and give unemployed people a chance to start earning fast. 4. Encourage and fund entrepreneurship. South Africa needs more job creators, not just job seekers. Government and private sectors should invest in youth entrepreneurship through incubators, funding schemes, and mentorship. 5. Clean up governance. If we can reduce corruption and redirect public funds into infrastructure, education, and job creation programs, we will see real change, fast. Good governance isn't optional, it's a foundation. 6. Embrace the green economy. Solar energy, recycling, water management, and ecotourism are growing industries around the world. South Africa has the resources and people to lead in this space, especially by creating new jobs in rural and underdeveloped areas. A new path forward. Unemployment in South Africa is a massive challenge, but it is not impossible to solve. With a combination of education, technology, entrepreneurship, and honest leadership, we can begin to turn the tide. The solutions don't only rest with the government. Communities, private companies, startups, and even individuals can contribute to the shift. Whether by creating jobs, learning new skills, or supporting small businesses, South Africa is full of talent. It's time we unlocked it. Let's rebuild hope. Let's build a future that works for everyone.